So let's just get right into it. This is probably the biggest question in tech right now, right? With AI getting smarter every single day, is the data analyst job just going to disappear?
You know, this might sound familiar. I want to tell you about someone, let's call her Alice. She was all geared up to switch careers, dive into the world of data, and then she just stopped. She quit before she even got going. And the reason why? She was terrified that AI would make all her hard-earned skills totally useless before she even landed a job.
And look, she was hearing all the noise online, and I bet you've seen it too. You know those crazy headlines, right? The ones screaming that AI, things like ChatGPT, are going to wipe out every single data job by next year. And yeah, that's a pretty scary thought.
But here's the thing, it's just wrong, plain and simple. So let's cut through all that hype, all that noise, and get to what's really going on.
Okay, so here's the big takeaway right up front. AI is not going to replace you, but, and this is a big but, buying into all that fear, that could seriously cost you. We're talking about the career of a lifetime.
See, the real risk here isn't some robot coming for your job. Nope, the real danger is letting all this fear-mongering talk you out of an absolutely incredible opportunity. We're talking a potential six-figure salary, the freedom to work from literally anywhere, and a real chance to build an amazing life for yourself. That's what's actually at stake.
So, this is absolutely crucial. We've got to totally reframe how we think about AI. It's not your competition. It's not your replacement. Think of it as your most powerful tool. It's like having the world's best assistant, one that's going to supercharge what you can do, not make you obsolete.
And to really, truly understand why that is, we need to take a step back and talk about what a data analyst actually does. Because honestly, it's probably not what you're imagining.
Yeah, forget that old image of someone just glued to a spreadsheet all day. That's not it. The best way to think about a data analyst? They're the detectives of the tech world. Part investigator, part storyteller. It's a perfect way to look at it, really.
So what does that mean in practice? Well, your job is to take this giant, messy pile of raw data and transform it into a crystal clear story. A story that tells a company exactly what they should do next. You're the reason Netflix knows exactly what show you're going to binge watch this weekend. You're the person helping a bank stop thousands of cyber attacks in their tracks. That's where the real value is.
Okay, so if that's the job, where does AI even fit into this picture? Well, it all comes down to one thing: understanding the massive difference between a human skill and an AI tool. Think of AI tools like having a perfectly pre-assembled workstation. You've got an idea, and bam, it gets you to a result in minutes. You need a chart? Done. A chunk of code? Here you go. It's insanely good at speeding up the process, at getting you the what super fast.
And this right here, this is where you come in. This is the analyst's edge. Look at this. The AI tool, it gives you the what, but the human analyst, you're the one who asks why. The AI processes the numbers, sure, but you're the one who understands the business needs behind those numbers. And AI is great at executing commands, but you solve the critical problems. And let's be real, employers aren't hiring chatbots to copy-paste answers. They're hiring you for your critical thinking, for your ability to make good, sound decisions. That is your superpower.
Okay, so that's the goal, right? To be that invaluable human analyst. So the big question is, how do you get there? It's all about learning the smart way. And trust me, this part is everything.
And you really have a choice here. On one side, you've got what a lot of people call tutorial hell. You know what I'm talking about. Those 50-hour masterclass courses where you just passively watch someone else code. It's all outdated theory and you never actually build anything. But on the other side, you've got the professional path. This is a structured approach, all about building real projects and learning the exact skills that employers are desperate for right now.
So what does that professional path actually involve? Well, it starts with getting your foundational toolkit dialed in. First, a language. Python is the king here. Why? Because of its incredible libraries, specifically Pandas and NumPy. These are the workhorses that let you wrangle massive data sets. I'm talking data so big it would literally crash your laptop. And the whole point, the end goal of all of this, it's to give people actionable insights, to help that CEO, to help your users make smarter decisions and make them fast.
All right, this brings us to the final piece of the puzzle, your career roadmap. How do you actually put all this into practice and get moving?
Look, the first step is you've got to get serious. You have to stop bouncing between 50 different YouTube playlists and just feeling like you're spinning your wheels. If you're feeling busy all the time but you're not actually getting anywhere, if you feel overwhelmed and just plain stuck, that right there, that's your signal.
It's time for a real plan.
Because here's the amazing part. When you have a structured roadmap, one that's focused on building real-world projects, you can absolutely land your first data analyst job in the next 12 months. That's not some crazy dream. It's a totally realistic, achievable goal.
So, let's just wrap it all up with this one thought. AI is not the threat to your career. It really isn't. The only real threat is wasted potential. It's letting all that hype and fear get in your head and stop you from building something truly amazing. So the question you need to ask yourself isn't, will a machine replace me? The real question is, what am I going to build with it?